It could be them. Huh?
Looks like.
They're noisy when they come back. They're drunk. Ayan, bumalik na yung kapitbahay namin. Oh. Na, marami yan sila. Mayroong naka-wheelchair pati. They'll come back. I think they went to pub. Drinking. Mahilig yan sila uminom ng alcohol kasi. Buti na lang to si ano ko, yung kasama pares ko ba, hindi siya mahilig uminom. Inom siya paminsan-minsan lang, magbili sa tindahan. Tapos dito rin sa bahay mag-inom. Inom na siya gamay sa buok. Hindi yung lasinggero talaga. No. Darpak mo. Buti may ilaw na yung karaban na yan, oh. Yung kaharap naman. Ha? Ha? Oo.
Right.
Are we going to Kuan tomorrow?
What?
In the casino.
Casino?
Casino Royal.
With the kids?
No, the one tipping point. The casino. No, it's the games. Games. The Kuan games. The games. In the tipping point. Push coin. Push coin. Push coin. How many of them?
Like 5 or 6, I think.
5 or 6.
Yeah? You what? We'll go out then.
What you want?
Right, we're sleeping bag. Strange, and my internet's been real good tonight. It's just
Really?
weirdly, yeah. And I'm having to box. I wonder if they've had a problem in this area with an engineering problem with a signal.
You know, scary one.
What?
So, a girl who was on a phone every single day, and she won eventually on a game when she was a grandma.
Really?
Yeah, she's real old.
Is that what you watched on the video?
They're real good videos. They're real good videos.
Good video.
I'm going back in my sleeping bag now.
You're going back in?
Sis Lunila, hello po sa inyo. Babar Vlog, thank you so much. Coffee, ayan, magkape na. Tapos nagkape, di na ako magkape. I'm not drinking coffee in night time. I'll be wake up my eyes is like an owl, not sleeping. Somebody's weaving. Oh, tap water. Tap water.